Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're covering HIV annual data. So let's see, there's 45 tables, 57,000 rows, data going back to December 2014. And you can see the sort of data here. If I just drag this Excel file over. As you can see, not exactly the most data import friendly. What tables have we got? Let's have a look. So go down to HIV. There it is, there it is. All kinds of tables there. So you can always just pause the video and have a look. But if I just look at one, let's say, people seen for HIV care in England. Let's look in there. So you've got a few different metric names there, and measures and second measures, and dates and the value. And there's a whole ton of other data there. So if you want to have a play with that, follow the link in the description. You get free access to that data and all the other thousands of tables for 30 days. Thanks.